there was this admission on the part of Kibuloy that Duterte said that, oh, I'll take care of your cases. Okay? He was supposed to be in prison. There is this violation on the land conversion. That
Ayun,
the penalty,
okay, sa land conversion.
the penalty would be 6 years imprisonment. Inadmit niya to doon sa Q&A March 9 to 10 kasi nag-abot yung madaling araw. Alam mo naman si dating Pangulong Duterte, tanghali to nagigising eh. At hanggang magdamag nagtatrabaho yata to, nagsasalita eh. Inamin ni Pastor Kibuloy na he was about if ever he would be convicted for the illegal land conversion, he would be in prison for 6 years.
Right.
Okay? Ang nangyari, ang ginawa daw is sabi ni Duterte sa kanya, ako nang bahala dito, ako nang bahala kay Satanas, something to that effect. At kung hindi daw, ang ginawa daw ni dating Pangulong Duterte, kinausap ang dapat kausapin, nilakad ang dapat lakarin. Otherwise, kung hindi, for 6 years. There's an admission on that.
Ito po ba, Attorney Claire, yung sa yung sa Tabayong, yung sa IP, Indigenous Peoples?
Yeah. Alam ko meron pang issue dun yung tungkol sa yung mga indigenous people.
Right. Opo.
So inayos din daw yun ni dating Pangulong Duterte. He admitted that do sa Q&A. Gikan sa masa March 9 up to 10, 2024. Tingnan mo yun. Sa start. Namin niya yun.
Gosh.
So yun, paano mo sasabihin hindi admission niya yun eh. Nilakad ang dapat lakarin, kausapin ang dapat kausapin. So pag ngayon, pag kino-content ko yun, 'di ba? Nadinig ko. Bakit sila magagalit sa akin? Admission nila yun. That's my point. You admitted that. Tapos pag kinontent ko na, naku, mali ito kasi lawyer ka eh. Dati ka pang Pangulo, dati ka pang Mayor. O paano yan? Ibig bang sabihin niyo yung mga cases ni Pastor Kibuloy at that time na di-dismiss kaya walang takot? Kaya yung rape case, na-dismiss sa Davao, unanimous yun. Naakyat lang sa So that's the point eh. Di ba, pag kinontent ko, tinuturo ko sa mga viewers ko, bakit ganito, ba't ganyan? There's an admission on that. Ba't sila magagalit sa akin? That's not anti-Duterte. Sila ang nagiging cause kung bakit kailangan pag-usapan.